The AAV sequence space problem is a gigantic problem. You can make so many modifications, changes to an AAV. It's close to an unfathomably limitless field to play in, so to speak. And so we've seen a lot of really great founding research about modifying AAVs, but we also know in the scientific community that there's a lot of space yet to explore, and that space is truly vast. This is where AI comes in, being able to handle huge data sets and help us think about this vast sequence space. So instead of kind of exploring in the dark, we're exploring with some purpose. Dyno's CapsidMap platform uses some AI tools to help us navigate this huge AAV sequence space. And what we're doing there is we're thinking about how can we make the best-in-class capsid for every indication. We think that it's the future of AAV to use a capsid for an indication instead of everyone using AAV9 or AAV2 for absolutely everything. Have one customized for your therapy. The way we do that is that we combine an AI power with cutting-edge lab techniques, which has really been made available by a lot of foundational research in the last years. We use these tools to screen huge libraries and feed the AI system and navigate to those best-in-class capsids quickly and intently instead of searching in the dark. I think it's a really fun platform in that way and really exciting and cutting edge with that application.